So we are in the beautiful place that is Jersey. We're at a swimming pool, we're at a hotel complex. So everywhere's closed down. The gym, the main gym is open, but the pool area is shut. So we're here to do a deep clean on all the floors. So we've got this area here. So what we can see, just from this point here, there's a build-up. They can't keep on top of the actual cleaning with it. So this is a build-up. So in essence, this is like the crystals and all the body fats when they're getting out of the pool, and it's just an area where the tile isn't running away to the actual drain. So we've got all that to do. We've got all around here to do. Move some of this cable for them. Right the way down so we can see how dirty it actually is. I called over a couple of months ago and actually did a demo for them. And they were really happy with the demo, which is why we're now doing the job. And it's important for us to make sure we do demos because we want to deliver on what we're going to do. So it's about setting expectations. So we want to make sure that we're setting the right expectations with you as a client to make sure it's right. So, let's just put that there. So we've got all around here to do. We're going to be extracting everything, so that we're going to make sure that nothing goes into the actual pool itself, so we're quite conscious about all that kind of stuff. We're going to potentially, they've asked us just this morning if we can look at some of this stuff that's actually on these tiles around here. So you've got a little bit of discoloration to the tile. Now, there's a possibility we can get rid of this, but there's also a possibility we might not. But we're going to do a demo on it, and if they're happy, then let's crack on with it, but we'll see how we get on with this area here. But the majority of it is making sure that we get it back. So here, where they've had some of the chairs out, you can see what the original tile kind of like looks like. So we're aiming to get it back to as close to that as we can. The grout is the best effort. Grout's a porous product, so it's taking in all the muck. But we'll do what we can. We're going to clean that as well. So this is the area all around here. You can see where they've had some replacement tiles just over the other side. But it's nice and warm in here as well. Very, very warm. You can see outside, we've got a lovely outdoor pool and just a nice beach right in front. So, if you have got a pool area that you're struggling to clean, and if you can find us, maybe you can call TileMaster.